It is essential to find the right heating and air conditioning company for your home or business. Your home or business and your heating and air system are a considerable investment. Additionally, if your heating and cooling system is not working efficiently, your comfort can be compromised, especially in the heat of summer, or the extreme of cold of winter. The following are tips on how to choose the right heating and air conditioning company. First, make a list of local heating and air conditioning companies by looking on the internet. Use the phrase heating and air conditioning contractors near me in the search box. Take the list and call each contractor near you, and ask the following questions, if the information is not already provided on their website. If their website does not list a heating and air conditioning state license, ask if they have the proper state contractor license to do work on your heating and air conditioning system. Check for stability. If their website does not list how long they've been in business, ask when the business started. The longer the contractor has been in business, the more likely it has the experience level you are seeking. Ask if they have liability insurance and workmen compensation insurance. Also ask if you can get copies of these insurance forms and proof of licensing before they start work. Make sure the company has an emergency number. Heating and cooling systems break down on nights, Sundays and holidays, so it is important that you have someone who can always respond to your emergency call. Ask what the normal call response time would be on emergency calls. Ask about their workmanship guarantee. What work do they guarantee and how long does their guarantee cover their work? The best way to check the company's credibility is to ask for references. Once you have received this list of names of prior customers, follow up. Prior customers will be more than happy to share with you their experiences with a contractor, especially if such encounters have been less than positive. If the general consensus among these prior clients is negative, take your business elsewhere. Gather at least 3 bids on the work you need done. Be suspicious of an extremely low bid. If that happens, ask the contractor why their bid is so low. It may be a sign that there may be some shortcuts involved or inferior material will be used in your project. In conclusion, get all of the information you discussed, especially pricing, in writing. Ask what type of payment the company takes, and if it all must be paid up front. If they ask for total money up front, call someone else. Place all the information you gather in a safe location in your house. The time may come when you need to refer back to it should a dispute arise. Hopefully this video was helpful in choosing a good heating and air conditioning contractor to work with.